Hello traders, I hope guys you had a wonderful weekend. Today is the first trading day of the week, 7th of June, Monday 2021. As always, I would like to show you how I help my traders through live intraday analysis and the best trade of the day. Let's dig into the system. And if you don't want to miss my latest analysis, update, review, feel free to subscribe this channel. Let's dig into straight to the Euro USD, pound dollar, and the dollar CAD. Euro USD, if you look at the 4-hour chart, on Friday we have this big move. That was basically the news reaction, and we were short, counter short trade at this level. If you haven't seen in my last week analysis Friday video, watch, link is given in the video description. So we banked beautiful pips, short trade here. We also had another short trade which we came out at the break even. Later on we were breakout long trade on Euro USD. Right, so if you look at here, this is the previous high. If the price is going to stay above that, possibility of pullback long, we'll let you know tomorrow. If the price is going to break, then pull back short. As I said to you guys, we are intraday trader, so we trade through our intraday system. Let me share with you how I did today through intraday. All right, so if you look at as soon as the market open, after the market open, I did this analysis for my Asian session traders. You can see a beautiful breakout short trade here, which technically we came out at the break even, because as soon as the price was at the support level, that's what we explained to trader. Look for tightening your stop loss, as you can see here, which or move your stop loss at the break even, which technically we came out at the break even. You can see here, as soon as the price develop another pattern consolidation, as I said to you guys, we constantly monitor during the London session. If any pattern develop, we'll broadcast that information instantly. As you can see here, another pattern, and that's what we explained to my trader. Price develop another symmetric triangle pattern. The best way to look for if the price gonna break the previous high or the recent low and recent high. You can see here price broken after the breakout, price retest. As soon as the price broken this consolidation, I update that analysis instantly again, just to give you another confirmation to my trader. If they miss this breakout, they can join on pullback. As you can see here, we have another beautiful pullback after the breakout. So trader who missed the breakout, they can join. Beautiful. As you can see here, as soon as the price hit this level in 4-hour resistance level, and that's what we explained to trader, is time enjoying pipping. So we have a beautiful pips on Euro USD. All right, so let's move into the pound dollar, guys. Pound dollar, if you look at the 4-hour, we were short from Friday counter short trade at this level. If you haven't seen my video from Friday, watch, link is given in the video description. So we were short, bank beautiful pips. Some of the traders, they will keep taking a pullback short trade, have bank beautiful pips. And at the market open, we also had this breakout short trade, bank beautiful pips, and afterwards we had a long trade. Let me share with you the intraday analysis. If you look at the intraday analysis, and at the market open, we had this beautiful consolidation breakout. We were mainly interested short based on the momentum. As you can see, that's what I explained to my trader. Beautiful breakout short trade here, price nicely hit to the first target. As always, after the breakout, we are looking another pullback. As I updated this analysis at the London morning session, as you can see, we have another beautiful, very small short trade, which technically we came out at the break even. And afterwards, I also updated that analysis because we were watching here. Once we see this rejection, that's what we explained to trader. Guys, price respected previously this level, more likely possibility of reversal, but safest way to look for this breakout. As you can see, we have a beautiful breakout. As soon as the price hit to the previous high, we explained to trader it's time to consider tightening your stop loss or move your stop loss at the break even. So we update instantly as soon as the price progress. So at the New York session, we have another few PPs on pullback. As I said to you, based on the momentum, based on the high time frame, we were looking on a pullback. So we have another few to pull back long trade on pound dollar. All right, guys, so let's see tomorrow. As you can see in 4 hour, last couple of weeks, the price is in consolidation, so we are still looking, opportunity. More likely, let's see, you can see at the moment the price has broken. If the price gonna develop another pullback, might going to see pullback long trade. If the price gonna break this level, then probably going to be taking a short trade. We'll let you know tomorrow on pound dollar, but we had a few pippies on pound dollar today. All right, so let's move on to the dollar CAD. Dollar CAD, we had interesting. We haven't seen any big moves, which technically most of the traders, we came out at the break even. Let me share with you. As you can see, we haven't seen any big moves. All these trades came out at the break even. As you can see, we have this breakout trade, which technically we were expecting some big nice move, which we came out at the break even. Then we have another breakout trade, which technically 10-15 pips is in profit, but we came out at the break even. As you can see here, price broken and afterwards came out. But again, today is Monday. As you can see, we haven't seen any volatility in this pair, so we'll see tomorrow. Technically, what I can see right now is price is developing another pattern here. You can see here, downside channel pattern. That's what exactly we're looking here. So we're looking this breakout. Let's see if the more safest way to look at, instead of trap into the false breakout, that's what we explained to trader. Look at after the breakout, retest, confirmation, that long trade here. And if you look at the 4 hour, you can see here, price develop inside candle pattern, which is bullish inside candle pattern. We'll see, guys, tomorrow. We'll let you know updates on dollar CAD, and if you would like to see all that analysis in real time alongside with the 4 hour analysis, and if you would like to know how I trade through this platform, the link, video link is given in the description. And if you don't have forex trading experience, as I said to you guys, my major objective is to train people through live intraday analysis to help them to develop their trading skill. Once they develop their trading skills, we can open door for them and get funded from prop firms. The major objective is to help them to bank some profit through those funding account, and that's why we make money from there. If you are interested how I help my traders to get trained and get funded, my availability calendar link is also given in the video description. That's a free one-to-one consultations, most welcome. Or even if you are experienced trader, as you can see, this is purely price action trading, and pretty sure you're gonna love banking pips alongside with my other traders. So most welcome to join my fast growing trader community. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice evening. Stay blessed. Until next time, all the best.